Hi everyone, and this is Sandeep, and you are watching Samyan's Academy. So in this session, we are going to discuss about nature of roots. Let us discuss now. Nature of roots for equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For that, you have to know that what is discriminant. Discriminant, the formula is b square minus 4ac. When b square minus 4ac value is positive, we will get the two distinct real roots. Okay, if b square minus 4ac value is equal to 0, we will get two equal real roots. Two equal real roots. If b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, real roots are not exist. Then the roots are imaginary. And here we have some graphs. Okay. If b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, then what is the nature of roots you will get here? Two distinct real roots are exist. Okay, two distinct real roots are exist. When you plot the graph for the quadratic equation, you will get the parabola path. Means what is look like this parabola shape. Are you able to see this graph? Yes. Now you see, and this graph cuts the x-axis. These graphs cut the x-axis at two distinct points. Yes or no? And this graph cut the x-axis at two distinct points. Means if graph cuts the x-axis at two distinct points, means how many roots are exist? Two real roots are exist, and the two distinct real roots are exist. Distinct real roots means two separate roots we can get here. Okay, when if b square minus 4ac value is equal to 0, so in this case what will you get here? If b square minus 4ac value is equal to 0, so what will you get here? Yeah, now you see, you observe this graph, and this graph cut the x-axis at only one point. Yes or no? Means for quadratic equations, how many roots are exist? Two roots are exist, right? So the two roots are equal here. Here the two roots are equal, right? If b square minus 4ac value is equal to 0, then how many roots are exist? Two roots are exist, but equal roots are exist, like 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Like that you will get two equal roots. Now you see the graph. This graph cuts the x-axis at only one point. Yes or no? This graph cuts the x-axis at only one point. So what it will indicate? And if determinant value is 0, b square minus 4 is we called as determinant. If determinant value is 0, what is the nature of root? Two equal real roots are exist. Then how will you show on the graph? Like this. Okay, this graph touches the x-axis at only one point. Okay, this graph touches the x-axis at only one point. And this indicates that it has two equal real roots. Okay, is it clear? Now when you come to here, let us see. When you come to if determinant value is less than 0, if determinant value is less than 0, then what is the nature of the roots you will get here? No real roots are exist. When you observe this graph, this graphs does not touch the x-axis. Yes, graph is not touching the x-axis. It may be look like this, it may be look like this. Means anywhere you can see these graphs are not touch the x-axis. If the graphs are not touching the x-axis, means there are no real roots. Real roots are not exist. Okay, only imaginary roots are exist if determinant value is negative. Okay, is it clear? So summarize these all these things in one table here, right? Are you able to see this table? Yes. Now you see, nature of roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If discriminant value is b square minus 4, that is we indicated with the discriminant with a capital D. If the discriminant is d greater than 0, means if discriminant value is positive and not perfect square, suppose you are getting some b square minus 4ac value is 33. Okay, and we have the to find the roots, we have a formula also. What is that formula to find the root? X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, By using this quadratic formula, okay, we can get the x values. If b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0 and that value is not a perfect square, then what will you get here? You will get the irrational numbers like root 33, root 2, root 5, like that you will get. Okay, if b square minus 4ac value is not having the perfect square, then what will you get here? Irrational numbers you will get, and there are two distinct real irrational numbers you will get. Okay, when will you get the rational numbers? Rational number means without having root, without having the root, that is we called as rational. If d greater than 0, if the b square minus 4ac is that having perfect square, let us assume if b square minus 4ac value, if you get the 25, what is the root 25 value? That is 5. In this case you will get only rational number, not irrational number. Okay, if determinant value is equal to 0, what type of roots you will get here? Real and equal roots you will get. Okay, the roots are real and equal, right? So if determinant value is, less than 0, if determinant value is less than 0, real roots are not exist, only imaginary roots are exist. Start the exercise 5.4. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations if real roots exist and find them. Okay, so here they given the one quadratic equations, right? By using the determinant formula, you have to find the nature of roots. If nature of roots, so if a determinant value is greater than 0 or equal to 0, the roots are exist. So if determinant value is less than 0, roots are not real. So in this case, roots are not exist. Okay, now you see here we have the 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Now given equation you have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you see here we have, yeah, this given equation you have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, here we have the equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0, where a equal to 2, a equal to 2, you compare with the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, the given expressions you have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the x square coefficient we have here? 2. Then x square coefficient is e. Then a is equal to 2. A equal to 2. And here, what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 3 is there. Here coefficient of x b equal to minus 3. Here we have the constant term 5. C equal to 5. Right. So now you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is we called as determinant, right? We indicated with the letter D. Okay, if determinant value is greater than 0, you will get two distinct real roots. If it is equal to 0, you will get two equal real roots. If it is less than 0, real roots are not exist. Let us see what type of roots we are going to get. So now b square is, what is the b square here? Minus 3 square, here minus 4 into a into c, right? So minus 3 square, 3 into 3 is how much? 9. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 5, 40. Equal to minus 31. So in this case, real roots are not exist. Why? Because here determinant value is negative. Okay, so this is less than 0. If determinant value is less than 0, so what is the nature of the roots you will get here? Yeah, real roots are not exist. But what type of roots are exist? Only imaginary roots. Real roots are not exist. Okay, so for first question, real roots are not exist. Your determinant value we are getting here minus 31, that is negative value. If you got the negative value, real roots are not exist. Okay, move on to the next question. Here we have the question 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so now you compare a given equation with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, then what is the x square coefficient we have here? 3. then x square coefficient it is a. Then you compare this a with the 3. So a is equal to 3. And here x coefficient is b. Here x coefficient is minus 4 root 3. So b value is how much here? Minus 4 root 3. Here constant term is 4. Okay, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3 and c equal to 4. Now you find the discriminant value by using the formula b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac equal to minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3 here, b value is 4. Okay, so minus into minus plus, 4 into 4 is 16, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 16 into 3 is how much? That is 48. Okay, 16 into 16 into 3 is 48 minus 4 into 4 16, 16 into 3 is 48. And your determinant value becomes 0. That means, yeah, the given equation has two equal real roots. Okay, equal real roots are exist. Equal real roots are exist. Okay, so in this case roots are existing, right? By using the quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, then you have to find the roots. Now you see, just do this here. B square minus 4ac we got as 0 here, right? Now you write the formula here, x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now you see, what is the value of b we have here? That is minus 4 root 3. Here b minus of minus 4 root 3 will become plus 4 root 3. Directly I am writing here plus 4 root 3. Minus into this minus will become plus, right? So in between we have plus or minus. So b square minus 4ac value already we got as here 0. Directly we can take this value by 2a. 2 into 3. Okay, so then 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. So 2 how many times? 3 times. Here root 3 will, sorry. Okay, 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. So 2 how many times? 2 times. Okay, here we have the root 3, and when you cut this you will get here root 3. Are you able to understand this? Now you see here 2 how many times? 2 times. Let us write this 2 root 3. 3 can I write as root 3 into root 3? Can I write like this? Root 3 into root 3. Yes or no? We can write as root 3 into root 3. And the answer is 2 by root 3. Then how many roots? Roots are exist for the quadratic equation? 2 roots are exist. 2 equal roots. For this, in this case, we get 2 equal roots. That is 2 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశాను? 3ని root 3 into root 3గా రాసుకోండి. Then root 3 get cancel. The answer is 2 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. 2x square minus 6x plus 3, and compare the given equation with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Write the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Their x square coefficient is a, here x square coefficient is 2. Means here a value is 2. Here x coefficient is b, here x coefficient is minus 6. Okay, you have to consider minus also. B equal to minus 6. And what is the constant term we have here? C equal to 3. Okay, now you pause the video. Please try to solve this question. Pause the video and solve this question, and you find the discriminant value b square minus 4ac. What is the b value we have here? That is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 6 into 6 is 36. 4 to the 8, 8 3 ja 24. Okay, sorry, 4 3 ja, sorry. 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, right? Correct only. 36 minus 24. Then how much? 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Then b square minus 4ac, we are getting here how much? 12. That means it is greater than 0. Then how many roots are exist? Distinct real roots are exist. Okay. What is the nature of the roots? Two distinct real roots are exist. Distinct real roots are exist. Distinct means separate roots. Where values unde roots manaki vastayi. Distinct real roots are exist in this case. Okay. Now you have to find the roots for this equation. Then by using the quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. So use this formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Now see here, what is the value of the b we have here? Minus 6. Here also minus is there. So minus of minus 6 will become plus 6. Plus or minus. What is the root b square minus 4ac? We got here 12. By 2 into a. The a value is how much here? 2. Right. Now 6 plus or minus. This root 12 can I write 4 into 3? Yes or no? 4 into 3 we can write like 6 plus or minus. 6 plus or minus. This we can write 2 root 3 by 4. You take 2 common, then you will get 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4. What I am doing here? This root 12, ఎలా రాసుకోవాలి? root 4 into 3 గా రాసుకోండి. Okay, this root 12 you have to write as root 4 into 3. Already you know that square root of 4 is how much? That is 2. Right? 6 plus or minus 2 root 3. Then next step what you have to do? You have to take the 2 as a common. Now you see, after taking the 2 as a common, what expression you will get here? 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4. Here 2 one time, 2 two times. Then 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. And here two distinct real roots are exist. Now one root is, you can write like this, x equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2. Okay. And other one is 3 minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So in this way you have to do. Move on to the next question. Yeah. Find the values of k for each of the following equations, quadratic equations, so that they have two equal roots. Okay. So given expression has two equal roots means the determinant value is 0. Taking the determinant value 0, then you have to find the k value, right? Now the given expression has, what is that? The given expression has equal roots. Now you see, in the first question, already they given the question. So the given expression has the two equal roots. Then you have to find the k value. Okay. The given quadratic equation has two equal roots. Then what will happen? The determinant value will become 0. Determinant value become 0. That means here b square minus 4ac value is 0. Okay. What is a here? A is 2. When you compare with the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here a value will get 2 and b value is k and c value is 3. Right? By using this formula, we can find the k value. What is the b here? B is k square minus 4 into a value is 2, c value is 3 equal to 0. K square minus 8 into 3 is minus 24 equal to 0. Then k square equal to 24 and k equal to root over 24, and root 24 can I write as 4 into 6. Yes or no? Okay, 6 4 ja 24. This will come outside here 2 root 6, and this you can write as plus or minus, right? Whenever you take the root, so you have to put here plus or minus. Plus or minus 2 root 6. This is the value of the k. Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Then move on to the next one. So in this question they have given kx of x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First you have to convert this given form into quadratic standard form. That is kx into x is how much? Kx square. Kx into minus 2 is how much? Minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now you compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you tell where a value is how much? A value is k x square. You leave the x square, the remaining term you have write here. That is k. And you leave the x here and the remaining term is minus 2k. So the b value is how much here? Minus 2k and c value is 6. A equal to k and b equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. Now what you have to do here? So you have to find the discriminant value by using the formula. Already in the question they have given that the given expression has two equal roots. Okay, this given quadratic equation has two equal roots. Given quadratic equation has two equal roots. Then b square minus 4ac value become 0. Okay, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Then okay, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Then you substitute the values of b here. B is minus 2k whole square. Okay, b value is minus 2k, that is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into where a value is how much here? K, and c value is 6, which is equal to 0. 2k whole square minus into minus plus 2k whole square we can write as 4k square. 4k square minus what is there here? 4 into 6 into k, so this we can write as 24k equal to 0. You take common from the two terms. Here we can take 4k as a common. 4k into k minus 6 equal to 0. Can I write like this? So here 4k square is there, right? 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. So what I am doing here, I am taking 4k as a common. So 4k into k is 4k square. 4k into minus 6 is minus 24k. Now what you have to do, here we have the two terms, right? Now you take the first term and make it equal to 0. Here you will get the k equal to 0. And the next time what you have to do, so here another term is there, k minus 6 equal to 0 and k value is 0. That means here k equal to 0 or 6. In the next question we have here, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay, so in the given question, length is twice its breadth means let us assume the breadth is x meter, the length will be 2x meter. Okay, if length is x meter, the breadth will become 2x meter. Write down here, let the breadth of rectangular mango grove is how much here? Let the breadth equal to x meter and the length will become, length of the rectangular mango field is 2x meter. Okay, and also they given the area of this rectangular mango grove, how much they given? 800 meters square. Already you know that area of the rectangular equal to length into breadth. Area of the rectangular equal to area of rectangular. What is the formula? That is equal to length into breadth, means L into B. Length into breadth. Here length is how much? 2x and into x, which is equal to 2x square. But area of the area given is how much here? 800 meters square, and this you make it equal. Here 2x square equal to 800 means area of the rectangular మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ 2x స్క్వేర్. క్వశ్చన్లో ఎంత ఇచ్చారు? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టాంగులర్ 800 ఇచ్చారు. అప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటిని మీరు ఈక్వల్ చేసుకోండి. 2x స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 800, then x square equal to into 2, when you take it here it will become by 2, then x square equal to 2, how many times it is 800? 400 times. So x square equal to 400 Okay, then x equal to root over 400, x equal to plus or minus root over 400, then x equal to root 400 value is how much? 20. Or length and breadth always will be it is positive value only. సైడ్స్ ఎప్పుడు నెగిటివ్ అవ్వకూడదు, అందుకే మనం పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూనే కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. దెర్ఫోర్ length of the rectangular therefore the breadth of the rectangle is how much here? 20 meter, and length ఏమవచ్చు మరి 2 into 20 which is equal to 40 meter. ఇది ఫైనల్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో రాయండి. therefore the breadth is 20 meter and the length is 40 meter. Is it clear? And move on to the next question. In this question they given that the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago the product of their ages in year was 48. Is the above situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. ఓకే, ఇద్దరు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఏజెస్ని కలిపితే మొత్తం మనకి ఎంత వస్తుంది? 20 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, 4 years ago అంటే 4 years అంటే పాస్ట్లో 4 years అంటే -4 చేయాలి. ప్రతి వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఏజ్లో నుంచి -4 చేస్తే వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ని ఇంటూ చేస్తే, ఓకే, ఇంటూ చేస్తే ఎంత రావాలి? 48 రావాలి. ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా? ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? అండ్ నేచర్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. b² - 4ac వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 కానీ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కానీ వస్తే మనకి ఆ రియల్ రూట్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఒకవేళ అవ్వలేదు అనుకోండి అండ్ ద గివెన్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, సో లెట్ us see now the sum of ages of two friends, right? The sum of the age of one of the friend, the age of let you have to assume that let the age of one of the friend be one of the friend be x years అనుకోండి. the age of other friend equal to ఎంత అవుద్ది? 20 years కదా, ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపితే. అందుకే ఇప్పుడు ఏమనాలి? ఇది 20 minus x years అనండి. ఓకే, the age of other friend, ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ అదర్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 20 minus x years. అందులో ఒక అతనిది x years అనుకుంటే ఇంకొక అతను ఏమవుతుంది? 20 minus x years అవుతుంది. 4 years ago అంటే 4 years క్రితం, అంటే పాస్ట్లో వెళ్ళండి 4 yearsకి ముందు. అంటే 4 years ago వాళ్ళ ఏజ్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ ఇది x-4 అవుతుంది, ఇది 20 minus x-4 అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీ ఏజ్ ఇప్పుడు 15 years అనుకోండి. 4 years ago మీ ఏజ్ ఎంత ఉండేది? 15 - 4 11 years ఉండేది. అవునా? సేమ్ ఇలాగే -4 చేస్తున్నాము, రైట్? 4 years ago their ages would be how much here? xలో నుంచి -4 చేయండి, x-4, అండ్ దీంట్లోకి వెళ్ళి కూడా -4 చేయండి, 20 minus x-4. హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్? 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x. ఓకే, 4 years ago their ages would be x-4 and 16 minus x. ఎలా వచ్చింది? రెండిట్లోకి వెళ్ళి -4 తీసేయండి, x-4 అండ్ 20 minus xలో నుంచి -4 తీయండి, ఎంత వస్తుంది? 16 minus x. ఇప్పుడు ఈ వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ని ఇంటూ చేస్తే మీకు అది ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి? 48కి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి. Okay, so now you make it product, it is x-4 into 16 minus x equal to how much here? 48. Okay, now what you have to do now? Then the next step, just multiply this x with 16 minus x. You multiply x with 16 is 16 into x is, yeah, x into 16 is 16x. x into minus x is minus x square. Now you multiply -4 with 16. -4 into 16 is -64. So -4 into minus x is plus 4x equal to 48. Okay, now 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equal to 48. Right? 16x plus 4x is how much? 20x minus x square minus 64 equal to 48. This x square you take it there, so x square 20x when you take it there, minus 20x minus 64 when you take it this side, it will become plus 64 equal to 48. Right? Now sorry plus 48 equal to 0, right? Then x square minus 20x plus 64 plus 48 equal to 0. X square minus 20x 4 plus 8 12 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 112 equal to 0. Now you check the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots I am finding. So nature of roots, how we can find? Nature of roots we can find by using the determinant formula, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, check the value of the b square minus 4ac. What is the a value we have here? Let us say here a value is 1, b value is minus 20 and c value is 112. Okay, check the determinant value. B square is how much? That is minus 20 whole square, minus 20 whole square. So b value is how much here? Minus 20 whole square, right? Next here a is there, so a value is how much here? A value is 1 minus 4 into 1, and c value is how much here? 112. 112. So 20 into 20 is 400 minus 448. Okay, here the value is negative. If b square minus 4ac value is negative, that means here b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, what is the nature of roots? Okay, real roots are not exist. This means here real roots are not exist. Means given situation is not possible. Real roots are not exist. Therefore, given situation is not possible. You have to write like this: given situation is not possible. Okay. If roots are not exist, the given situation is not possible. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now move on to the next question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Comment on your answer. Rectangular is how much? Perimeter they given. Perimeter of rectangular is how much they given? Perimeter of rectangular equal to 80 meter. Okay. Perimeter of rectangular equal to 80 meter, and area of rectangular equal to 400 meters square. These are the given conditions, given values. Perimeter of rectangular equal to 80 meter, area of the rectangular equal to 400 meters square. Then we have to find the length and the breadth. Let us assume the length of the rectangular field is x ankondi. Let us assume the length of rectangular equal to x meter అనుకుందాం. అప్పుడు పెరిమీటర్ ఎంత ఉంది మనకి? పెరిమీటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 80 మీటర్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, దీని నుంచి బ్రెడ్త్ వాల్యూ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా? ఎస్, పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ రెక్టాంగులర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 80 మీటర్ ఇచ్చారు, దెన్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టాంగులర్ 400 మీటర్ స్క్వేర్ ఇచ్చారు. సో పెరిమీటర్ అంటే ఏంటి? పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టాంగులర్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? 2 ఇంటూ ఎల్ ప్లస్ బి, రైట్? సో పెరిమీటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా? 2 ఇంటూ ఎల్ ప్లస్ బి, 2 ఇంటూ లెంత్ ప్లస్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు 80. లెంత్ని మనం ఏమనుకున్నాము? ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాము, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ 2 ఇంటూ 2 ఉంది, అటువైపు వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది? బై 2 అవుతుంది. సో లెంత్ ప్లస్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు 80/2 విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 40. అప్ టు హియర్ క్లియర్? పెరిమీటర్ని 80గా తీసుకున్నాం, 80గా ఇచ్చాం. పెరిమీటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 80 ఉంది, రైట్? పెరిమీటర్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టాంగులర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 ఇంటూ ఎల్ ప్లస్ బి విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 80 ఇంటూ 2. వెన్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్ దిస్ సైడ్ ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ బై 2. 80/2 ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్? 40. బ్రెడ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఇక్కడ లెంత్ని మనం ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాం కదా, బ్రెడ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవ్వాలి? 40 మైనస్ లెంత్. అక్కడ బ్రెడ్త్ని మనం ఏమనుకున్నాము? ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాము. సారీ, లెంత్ని ఏమనుకున్నాము? ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాము. అప్పుడు బ్రెడ్త్ ఏమవుతుంది? 40 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అవుతుంది. Is it clear? So let us say this is equation 1. ఇదేమనుకుందాం ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అనుకోండి. ఇంకొక రిలేషన్ ఉంది, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టాంగులర్. ఏరియాకి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి చెప్పండి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ద ఏరియా? ఏరియా ఈక్వల్ టు, area already given is how much? Area of the rectangular field is 400 meters square. What is the formula of the area of rectangular field? Length into breadth, which is equal to 400. Okay, the length we assumed as how much here? X meter, and the breadth from the equation 1 we have here 40 minus x, which is equal to 400. Okay, లెంత్ మనం ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాము, బ్రెడ్త్ మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 40 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ వచ్చింది. లెంత్ ప్లేస్లో ఎక్స్, బ్రెడ్త్ ప్లేస్లో 40 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ హియర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ 40 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 400. ఓకే, నౌ యూ మల్టిప్లై దిస్. ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ 40 ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్? 40x. ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 400. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ minus x square you take it that side, plus x square, 40x you take it there, minus 40x. ఎందుకంటే x స్క్వేర్కి ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనకి పాజిటివ్ వచ్చేటట్టుగా చూసుకోండి. x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 40x ప్లస్ 400 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఇది క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసి అయినా చేయొచ్చు, మిడిల్ టర్మ్ స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ అయినా చేయొచ్చు. సో మీ ఇష్టం, ఎలా అయినా చేయండి. ఓకే, సో నౌ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right, where a value is 1, b value is minus 40, c value is 400. సో అలా తీసుకొని b square minus 4ac వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. రైట్, చేద్దామా? వేర్ a ఈక్వల్ టు 1, b ఈక్వల్ టు minus 40, c ఈక్వల్ టు 400. Compare with this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is 1, b is minus 40, c is 400. Check the value of the b square minus 4ac. Determinant value we are checking now. Okay, if determinant value is right, if determinant value is positive, the roots are exist and the given situation also possible. Okay, now you see b square minus 4ac equal to, so what is the b value we have here? Minus 40. So minus 40 whole square, minus 40 whole square, and minus 4 into a into c. Minus 4 into a value is 1 and c value is 400. Okay, 40 square is how much? 1600 minus 1600 equal to 0. Okay, that means here therefore roots are exist, equal roots are exist. In this case equal roots are exist, equal roots are exist. So that means here equal roots are exist. That means here given situation is possible. Therefore given situation is possible. If given situation is possible, then what you have to do here? You have to find the x value, that is root, right? Now find the x value. X equal to, by using this formula, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and use this formula and find out the value. What is the b here? B is minus 40. Okay, minus of minus 40 is plus 40, plus or minus root b square minus 4ac we got here 0, directly you keep it here. So 2 into a, that is 2, so which is equal to 40 by 2, which is equal to 20. Okay, so x value we got as 20. X value is 20. But what is x here? X indicates length, right? So if x is 40, that means here length is 40, right? Then what is the breadth value? This is the length value, and breadth value is 40 minus x, 40 minus 20, and breadth also 20. Length 20, breadth 20 అంటే ఇచ్చినది రెక్టాంగులర్ కాదు, అది ఏమవుతుంది? స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఓకే, సో లెంత్ ఈక్వల్ టు 20, బ్రెడ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు 20. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ దేర్ ఇట్స్ లెంత్ ఈస్ 20 మీటర్ అండ్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఆల్సో 20 మీటర్. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ ఇది ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? b ఈక్వల్ 40 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1. ఫ్రమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 b ఈక్వల్ టు 40 మైనస్ ఎక్స్, 40 మైనస్ 20 ఈక్వల్ టు 20. ఓకే, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Bye, have a nice day.